Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's start. Import your illustrations. You can always use freepik.com. Create a composition. Put the bottle vector in it. I downloaded this illustration from freepik.com and changed some part of it. Create a circle as water. Name the layer. Put this layer below bottle. Set the position and size if needed. Press Y and move the bottle anchor point. It should not be in center. Let's create a mask. Select Pen tool. I just changed the color to a better view of mask. Set alpha inverted mask for bottle layer. Change the layer name. Add wave warp effect to it. Set wave width to 200 and speed to 0.5. On bottle layer, press R. Hold Alt and press on rotation stopwatch. Add wiggle expression to it. I think frequency of 0.5 is enough. Let's see the result. That's okay. Add wiggle to position 2. That's fine. Open bottle composition. We have different layer for liquid top and body. I want to have sparkling liquid. So let's create gas bubbles. Press Ctrl Y to create a solid layer. Add particle system to it. Set particle type as bubble. Set birth color as liquid color but reduce the brightness. Set birth size and death size. And increase the opacity. Birth rate to 0.1. Gravity to -3. We want bubbles to go up. Increase radius X and Y to 70. Bubbles should appear in the whole solid. Duplicate liquid body and use as mask for bubble layer. Scale bubble layer to about 30%. I think it's better to increase the bubble sizes. And put it under top liquid layer. Particle system effect take about 5 frames to get started. So shift this layer to the left. Add wave warp effect to top layer. Set wave type to smooth noise, width to 300, and speed to 0.5. Select Ellipse tool with no fill and white stroke. Create an oval. Name it as Surface Effect. Press Alt-Control Home to put anchor point at shape center. These circles should be appeared and scaled in about 1 second. Set these parameters. Press Alt and brackets to limit layer size. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer and change its position. Repeat duplication. Select all of them. Go to Animation, Keyframe Assistant, Sequence Layers. Select all of them, right-click and select Pre-composition. Hide it for now. Create a new composition for eye. Create a white circle. Don't forget to name it. Press Ctrl-Alt-Home to put anchor point in shape center. And then press Ctrl-Home to put the shape in composition center. Duplicate it. Change the color and size. Press Ctrl-D. Duplicate it for black part. Having a spotlight is good. Don't forget to name the layers. Change the color. Select Star tool. As you are holding the mouse left key, press up arrow key to change the shape. Our eye illustration is ready. Let's add some details. Select colored layers and put it in a composition. Press Transparency box. Now this composition just is visible on white circle. Move it across the white ball and make some position keyframes. Press F9 to ease them. Now we have a smooth movement. On white circle, right-click, Layer Style, Inner Shadow. Set the parameters like this. Angle to 220. Size to 15, noise to 5, and distance to 16. I think it's okay for now. Add this composition to the main column. Resize it. Duplicate it. And turn off top layer visibility. Put second one under liquid top layer. Some part of IR and liquid, so this part should have the color effect and light refraction. Duplicate liquid body and put it at top of eyeball. Set eye track matte to alpha matte. Turn on top eyeball visibility. Move the second eye composition some pixels down. Create a mask for top eye composition. Set eye comp track to alpha inverted mask. Parent top eye to the down eye. Now they have the same move. We need a light show of liquid on eye. Reducing liquid body opacity to what we need. Hide unnecessary layers. We should create light refraction. Add bulge effect to eyeball that is inside the liquid. Set horizontal and vertical radius to 150. And bulge height to 0.5. Now you can see the difference. Add wiggle to eye position. We also need more move. Let's create some position keyframes. It should go down and back to the top. It is moving too fast. Select keyframes, hold Alt key, and drag them to change timing. That's okay. Final details should be added. When the eye goes down or back to the surface, it will create some small waves. Let's create it. Create circle with no fill and white stroke. It should disappear in 1 second, as we did it before. Just locate these bubbles properly. Check the main composition. I want to increase bulge height and increase inner shadow size and noise. That's the final result. Thanks for watching this video.